It'll be fine.
Gracias.
Thank you, Lord. It's gonna be delicious. So, we thought the food was pretty good. I mean, combinations I never had. I never had the Honduran style fried chicken with the plantains that weren't prepared with the sweet, tangy flavor. It worked well together. They pretty much nailed it.
And actually, they did kind of like on top of that have like the sweet onions. So you did get not the traditional way that we're used to, the plantains, but they were there and they were delicious. And the hardness of the chicken was good. And yes, I did sample his dish.
Yeah.
But my tacos were also really good.
Yeah.
I had the al pastor, so they had the little bits of pineapple in there, and just sweet, tangy, delicious, really good.
And my portion was a big portion. I mean, you ate some of that, and we're still going home with some. I actually have dinner for Saturday. I don't have to cook, or maybe lunch. And so good portions and price point is well. And it's pretty cool. They're kind of like off the main road. The road still has a lot of traffic. You pull in, they have these nice little quaint tables, as you see, and have lunch and enjoy some different flavors from other parts of the world.
And it's such a nice day. It's really nice to be sitting out here. It's just a nice lunchtime.
Yeah, I mean, we'll be back, so come check them out. Here's a food truck you see right now on camera. Just come check them out. Good stuff. It's Franklin of Hospitalityrockstars.com. We showcase talent
And highlight greatness.
We'll see you guys soon. We love you so much. Be safe.